Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find device name on MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook, and here you'll have your desktop. Now in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Finder, File, Edit and View, and we have the Go, Window and Help options. In the top right corner, we have your Wi-Fi, of course the date and all of those things. And in the bottom tab, as you can see, we have all of your applications. Well, not all of them, but the applications that are your main ones, and you have, of course, put them there. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and find device name on a MacBook. So, you need to go and follow these 4 steps. So, step 1 is to click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and select System Settings. So, you have the logo here and click on System Settings. Now, you need to go in the sidebar and click on General, so it is here in the middle. When you're in General, you just need to go and click on the About here. So now when you click on About, you will see the device name listed at the top of the About window. And this name is what identifies your MacBook on networks and other devices. If you want to change it, just select the current name and type in your own new one. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.